Hello everyone, my name is Chirag Patil and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will solve this problem for HackerRank, which is find a string, right? So let's understand a problem statement first, right? So problem says, in this challenge, the user enters a string and substring. So we will get two input. You have to print the number of times that the substring occurs in the given string. The string traversal will take place from the left to right, not from the right to left, and string letters are case sensitive, right? So basically we will receive two string, one is string and other is substring. We need to find a occurrence of substring in the given string, right? Okay, so here is the example says the string is ABC DCDC and we need to find occurrence of CDC, right? So its sample output is 2. Why? So first it will be C, D and C, right? This one, and second times this one. Okay, so let's understand how we can solve this problem, right? So let's see here. So let's say I have that same string, right? What was that string? ABC DC DC. Okay, so let's say I have this string, right? ABC DC DC, and our substring is CDC, right? So let's see the algorithm or technique we will use, right? So first of all, we need to traverse on each length of the string, right? So let's say this is the string and this is substring, right? Okay, so first of all, what we can do, we can traverse on the length of the string, right? So let's say we can write for I in, sorry, it would be range, right? So I'm writing the pseudocode here and we will implement the actual code at the HackerRank. Okay, let's say st, right? So what we will receive, we will receive I. Okay, I is basically an index of string, right? 0 1 2 3 we will receive. So what we can do, let's say if string is starting from the 0, right, and the substring length is 3, in the here case it's 3, right? So we can do like for 0 to, we will check the first 3 letter, right? If this first 3 letter is equal to my substring, then count will be 1, right? Then we will check from the second letter, right? So it will again start from the B. Now here for the I we will receive 1, right? So at this point we will check a 3 character from the B because my substring has the 3 character, right? So let's say this one, and we will check whether these 3 character and my substring are matching or not. So we can say no. At the I is equal to 2, we will start from here, right? From 3 character, and now this 3 character will be matched with my substring, right? Then we will increment our counter, right? So let's say currently my counter is 0. Okay, and what we can do, we can write like st of I plus length of substring, right? So we will get the 3 character for the given index from the given index, right? And we will just check is equal to substring. If it is happen, then we need to just increment our counter, right? Okay, so let's implement. Here we can optimize this loop by saying just loop through the length of string minus length of substring, right? It would be plus because the last is non-inclusive, right? So if you see from this, right, this is only you need to traverse till the C, right? Because if you reach here at the D, there is only 2 character and our substring is basically 3 character. Then from D onwards you will not find any substring, right? Because the length of substring is larger than this part. Okay, so let's implement this, right? Okay, so let's say first count is equal to 0, right? And let's say length of substring is equal to length of substring, right? Then let's say what we need to do, let's traverse for I in range of length of string minus length of substring plus 1, right? Because this is okay. We can write start from the 0 and end at length of string minus length of substring plus 1, right? Okay, so now we can check if, let's say, string of I plus length of substring is equal to my substring, right? Then count plus or equal 1, right? And after this for loop we can return our count, right? Okay, so let's run this and check. Okay, so there is one error. Okay, so it would be like from I to I plus length of substring, right? And what was the error? The string index out of range, right? Because we are passing some a larger number. Let's say, so it would be a string, because at the sometimes it can't be I plus length of substring, right? Because index would be larger than our length of string. So it would be start from the I and I to I plus length of substring, right? So let's run this. Okay, so this sample test case is passed. Let's submit the code. Okay, so it is taking time. Okay, let it. Okay, so we can say all the test cases are passed, right? So this was the our implementation for finding substring, right?